Hi, welcome my channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Boat neck designs, fancy saree, boat neck blouse, bead adding, boat neck blouse cutting. How to take measurement blouse boat neck. Width 10 and off. Neck boat neck shape 3 inch. Shoulder 3. Neck width 4. Arm 6. Arm shape 6. Arm side length. Take the measurement, marking the measurement. Arm shape. One and a half inch gap. Neck tip downside 4. Neck tip gap this one and a half. Same design pattern. Round shape cutting, round cutting. Full broad neck round. Neck 3 inch down deep and width 4 inch. Shoulder 3 inch. Side extra piece adding. One and a half extra piece side. Stitching gap markings, tension margin. Cutting the piece. Boat neck design. Boat neck design. Broad round neck, boat neck. Turning the piece neck and finishing the neck. Lining piece attaching, turning the piece. And down side folding the bottom side piece. Back open, round neck. Top side extra hemming piece. Please subscribe my channel. Finishing the blouse, adding the beads. Same patterns. Thank you watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you all.